I just wanted to show you these little cufflinks I got. If I can get into the bag. It's just a pull-open bag. And inside you got two little cufflinks. Again, in a pull-open bag each to protect them. You get a nice little box to put these in, they look so small. And there's the pad that goes through the shirt, the cuff. Very nice, polished, lovely. But this is a watch movement. If you can see it. Oh, am I going? There we go. You see that? That's the watch movement. I see even got the little turning knob at the side. Okay. I think they're gorgeous. Look at that. There we go. If you can see it working now. See that? How cool is that? That's amazing. They're so small, but beautiful. Any guy in his right mind that wears shirts would love cufflinks like that. I don't think there's a guy alive that wouldn't enjoy wearing them, and they would certainly be a talking point. I love them, they're amazing, and they're so small. It's all highly polished all around. See that? All highly polished. Beautiful pair of cufflinks. What a lovely present to give a guy. It's probably too late for Valentine's now, but you know, birthdays, Christmas, Easter, just because you love them. Sorry, it's not focusing. There you go. Any guy would love that. I love them. I wish I could wear a suit just to wear them. They're absolutely gorgeous, and they're so light. They're really, really light. I suppose heavy for cufflinks, mind. You know, they're not wafer light. But I'm not focusing again. There you go. But you can just see that movement going in now. I think they're gorgeous. They're just a nice present to give somebody. If you pop them in a little box, in a little jewellery box, that would be an ideal present to give somebody. They would love it. Very cute. Links in the description, as always, and more information on them, hopefully. But if you're thinking of getting a guy a present, you need to think of these, because they're quite unique. I've not seen any like this before. I could be wrong, but I've not. They're just gorgeous. Okay, thank you. Bye.